Welcome back everyone, my name is Lou from Lego's Kitchen. Today we are making Greek salad. So today we're going to make a delicious healthy Greek salad today. This is one of my favourite salads to make and it's so easy to make. And it's so much better than store-bought ones. So first we're going to start slicing up a cucumber. So I've just got one of these continental cucumbers. And I've just sliced it into four, and then I've sliced it into little slices as well. I've got half a cucumber left in my fridge, so I decided to use that one as well. Let's use that up. Having a bench scraper makes this so much easier trying to get all the ingredients into the bowl. I never used to have one and it makes it life so much easier. Then I've got these cherry tomatoes that we got from the supermarket, so I'm just going to slice them in half. You can put them in whole, but I don't like the little burst that it does when you go to chew them, so I'd like to slice them in half. I've also got a couple of vine ripened tomatoes there as well that I'm going to use. I've had them in the fridge for a couple of weeks now. I just want to use them up, so I'm going to put that into it as well. So with the vine ripened tomatoes, I used to like to use a paring knife. And I like to go around the edge of the core and just get that out firstly, so it's out of the way. And with those ones, I'm just going to slice them in half and into about thirds as well. And having a really nice sharp knife really helps with this as well. Makes life so much easier. In the bowl it goes. So now we're slicing up a red onion. So usually I put a full red onion. I only had half, so I'm just going to use a half today. And I'll just slice that in half and then into slices. And then we're going to put a capsicum in. So this is just a small red capsicum or bell pepper. You could also use the green one. I prefer the flavour of the red one, so I always get those ones, so I'm going to use that. So I'm just going to cut that in strips. And into bite-sized pieces. In the bowl it goes. Next, I'm going to drain some olives. So I've got some caramel olives. And I also got these green olives with some garlic stuffed as well. I'll put those ones in as well. And then I've got some Greek feta here, which I'm going to slice up. So I just like to slice that in half and into little cubes as well. So now we're just going to give that a good stir and just get that all evenly distributed. And then we're going to make the dressing. And dressing is so easy to make. So for the dressing, you're going to need a couple of tablespoons of balsamic vinegar or red wine vinegar. You're also going to need a quarter of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Please only use extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to put a good shake of oregano. If you have Greek oregano, that'd be fantastic. But use what you got. And then we're going to put some salt. And some pepper as well. Sometimes I do change it up and I will use lemon juice instead of the red wine vinegar as my acid. And that turns out really good as well. So when you give that a good old stir. do make sure you give it a good taste. See if it needs more acid or not, or more salt. And add that if you need to. And here I did add a little bit more vinegar. Bingo. So now we're going to dress the salad. And give it a good mix. And that is your Greek salad. Now, if you want to change things up, I also like to add some fennel seeds to my Greek salad, and that is totally not like, you know, in a Greek salad, but I actually really like the flavour of the fennel seeds in it as well, so I usually add them as well. So, if you want to change it up a little bit, add some fennel seeds as well. And that's it. How easy was that? Such a delicious, healthy recipe that you can have just with all your grilled meats and everything. And I think it just goes so good with everything, and I just have it all the time.